How to change your Reddit username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your Reddit account's username. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, let's say that you created a Reddit account. During the sign-up process, a username was given to you by default and you didn't pay much attention to it. And now time has passed and you are feeling like to change your username on Reddit. It's not as easy as you change on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Facebook, anywhere as such, because Reddit does not actually allow you to change your username once you have finalized during the sign-up process. So you have to keep that in mind, and the only way to get around this is when you create a new Reddit account, you have to pay attention to your default username. That is actually officially said by Reddit support themselves. If I also go ahead and show you the help article right now. But there's also one exception, and that is that if you signed up for Reddit using your Google ID or your Apple ID, you can actually change your username within the 30 days of your account creation process, which means that if you actually signed up using your custom email address, you won't be able to change it whatsoever. But if you change it and signed up for Reddit using your Google or your Apple ID, you can change it until 30 days, until and unless you have not yourself finalized your username. So I'll just go ahead and show you. If I go to Reddit Help Center and if I search for can I change my username, so it says no, once a username is finalized, it can't be changed in any way, including its capitalization. The one exception is if you created a Reddit account with your Google account or Apple ID as your login and haven't finalized your assigned username yet, then you can change your username if you've signed up with your Google account or Apple ID. So it says learn how to change it. So I'll just tap on this little article over here. So it says, how do I change my username if I created an account with my Google account or Apple ID? So it says if you created your Reddit account by signing in with a Google or Apple ID, a username was automatically assigned to you and you have until 30 days to change it. Changing a username is slightly different depending on what platform you're using. So in this case, I'm actually showing you from reddit.com, not the native Reddit application that's available on iOS and App Store, but I'm going to show you from reddit.com. So you can actually also go to reddit.com just in order to explore more of the options that is actually restricted and limited on the Reddit application. So it says sign into your Reddit account and click on your username in the top right hand corner of the screen. You'll be asked if you'd like to keep your current username or change it. If you don't see the option to change the username, you may have accidentally chosen to keep your current username, or it's been more than 30 days since you updated your account. So I'll also go ahead and show you. Now, if I come back to my own Reddit page, actually I also just created my Reddit account with my Google account. So I will see whether or not 30 days have passed or whether or not I have actually already chosen my custom username. So I'll tap on the three bars on the top right corner and I'll tap on my username. As I tap on my username, you can see this option. So let's try to click on the edit profile button. If I try to tap on the edit profile button, let's see whether or not it will allow me to change my username. So as you can see, we do have the display name but not the username. So in my case, maybe as well you have already actually created and allowed your username to be a custom one, or maybe it's already been past 30 days after the new username was assigned to you and you simply failed to change it. Unfortunately, that's what Reddit account is up to. If you want to change a username, you can just try to create a new account and pay attention to the Reddit username. Hopefully this video answered your question, and we hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.